This is a sexy underwear contest. I don't want to talk. Are you in it or not? I don't know where she's at. Are you in? Okay, thank you. Everybody say boo. Are you going to play or not? You going to play too back there? Take those hands off right fucking now. Yes, yes, yes. I want to see my ladies to the front. Ladies to the front. Yes, yes, yes. Let's do this dance off right quick. Let's go. Hit it. 1, 2, 3. Ladies to the front. Ladies, you can leave the stage. Everybody say boo. Thank you. Gentlemen to the front. This is a live show, honey. This is a live show. Ladies. Okay, let's go. I want all the gentlemen right here on this straight line. Thank you, ladies. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. What do you guys think? You think it's bullshit? Let me just do a taster test because Exotech is going to give me such a hot beat. He's going to give me such a hot beat that they're going to be popping their big dicks and shaking their asses. What do you guys think? Let's try this one.